Ah ja, hat sie. Also das Back nicht in die Wand rein, es hat ein Loch. Oh. That's
sick, Max.
fresh.
A couple tats, some piercings, and we'll make a thrasher out of you yet.
Ready for the mosh pit, Shaka Bra.
Maybe not. Go on down and say hi to Joyce. Free breakfast. I have to wake and bake first.
I promise not to tell.
Let's not rewind and find out, okay?
So. Warte, was? Rudolf, dinge ich mich jetzt? Vielleicht komme ich später. Was? Dinge ich mich jetzt? Verabschiede mich jetzt vielleicht? Ah,
Oh my god.
koch mir jetzt
That
was.
smells so amazing. It's like when we were kids here.
Nice. Okay, Rudolf, dann guten Appetit wünsche ich dir. Und vielleicht bis später. So. Wow, 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 wow. Was ist das für eine mega lange Nachricht? Hallo? Oh, ich hasse das. Man kann so scheiße scrollen mit dem Controller. Max, thank you no. Thank you from my heart for reaching out to me on the roof. You're the only one who was there for me at school. The only one who truly cared. I have to believe you were sent to give me hope. You did so much more than that. My father is grateful as well. You'll always be in our prayers. Love and blessings, your friend Kate. Also dieses christliche Gedudel, ne, kann man ja auch schön ignorieren erstmal. Wenn die Christin sein will, dann soll es sein. Aber let's point out, wie sie nur ihren Vater erwähnt. My father is grateful as well. Nicht die Mutter, diese Olle. I don't like her, even though I don't know her. Der Vater scheint sympathischer zu sein. Hey Kate, I'm so glad you're okay. I will visit you as soon as I can. Promise. Right. What was that? Hallo? So. Bird?
No way. That's the bluebird I saved Monday in Joyce's room.
Yeah, why is he here again?
Chloe has had this damn dirty pirate towel since we were kids. Serious flashback.
Ja, das war mal weiß. Hair dye?
You know, I haven't gone through a dyeing my hair blue phase yet. Maybe it's time.
Max. Slay.
Chloe never used to care when I borrowed her toothbrush.
Well, let's
What's
do it.
ironic is I always hated it when Chloe used my toothbrush.
Woher weiß sie, welche Chloes ist? Max, das waren aber keine 3 Minuten. Warum ist links nicht ein
so good
Spiegel?
to wash my face after all that chlorine. And hiding.
Sag mal, haben Amerikaner irgendwie mehr Chlor im Wasser als in Deutschland? Hä? Warum ist der Spiegel nicht beim Waschbecken? Ach, keine Ahnung.
Check out Mad Max. Ready to fucking thrash. I'm so hardcore.
You're so hardcore, Max. Okay, let's take a photo. Oh je, ist der Vogel mit drauf? Wichtig. Oh, ich habe freigeschaltet. Lochblende. Ja. Wait, what happened? Der Vogel. Ist der Vogel mit drauf? I'm not sure. Ist es da links, der Vogel? Direkt hier, da? Vielleicht. So. After being grilled in the principal's den, I hung out with Warren at the lawn so I could feel grass under my feet and watch the fluffy clouds. He's such a sweetheart. He kept telling me how proud he was that I stopped Kate from jumping. I don't believe that I did, but I have to say, it's better to be treated like a hero at school than like a twee loser. Still, I told Warren that something ominous is happening at Blackwell Academy. Rachel, Amber, Chloe, and now Kate have all been victims. Not to mention me, if I keep paying playing amateur detective. Wish I could have let Warren know about my power, but it's not the right time. As if anything is the right time anymore. The right time will never come if you wait for it. Don't wait for the right time. Auch nicht so klug. Manchmal muss man auf die richtige Zeit warten, aber manchmal gibt es keinen richtigen Zeitpunkt. Manchmal muss man einfach straightforward sein. And to make the day end on the most surreal note possible, the sky went dark and we watched a solar eclipse that was not announced on the news or any astronomy site. What is happening at Acadia Bay? Hello, October 9th. Dear Diary, I have the power to rewind time, and I ended up on a rooftop trying to stop my friend from jumping off while trying to prevent the possible destruction of my hometown. I fell asleep at my desk and woke up reaching out to rewind or grab Kate. I remember when my journal entries were about which animal character I wanted to be, or my dreams of being a respected globe-hopping photographer, or what me and Chloe would be doing when we were finally adults. At least we know how that turned out so far. Stimmt. Chloe is determined to get to the bottom of what is going on. So I've been playing What Would Chloe Do? Which means blowing off my Blackwell homework to research everything I can find on Kate Marsh, Rachel Amber, and the esteemed Prescotts. It would be too easy peasy if they were all connected, but at this point, I think the whole town of Acadia Bay is connected to that crazy shit. I can already see the story in the National Geographic Channel. Mystic, scientific, or apocalyptic? The Acadia Bay tornado. Shudder. Speaking of fear, I still think about Kate and the sadness in her eyes on that roof. I'm so grateful she's alive. I love seeing the students at Blackwell show their support for her with gifts and flowers finally. Wir lesen noch die Seite zu Ende, dann machen wir gerade weiter. So that's cool. That's cool that I got Mr. Jefferson in trouble and he won't be representing Blackwell at the Everyday Heroes contest. I don't blame him for what happened to Kate. Yes, he should have listened to her, but it's not fair he can't attend the event. Now the winner has to hang out with Principal Wells. I hope Victoria wins. But one of my heroes probably hates me. Yay, Max. Leave it to Chloe to make me sneak out past curfew and demand I meet her in front of the main building in the dead of night. I knew Chloe would be all over investigating the campus after what happened to Kate here. This just makes Chloe more desperate to find out what happened to Rachel, if anything. Yes, okay. Bei Seite 41 machen wir dann weiter. Aber...
I better not go in there. David might be in bed. Ew.
You big time.
For everybody else in the neighborhood, it's just another morning.
Probably true. Kann ich den Vogel rauslassen oder bleibt er jetzt im Badezimmer? Go downstairs. Gibt's ein gutes Frühstück? Kenne ich, glaube ich, schon, oder? I think so. Answering machine. Look.
Looks like a message.
Ich höre hier schon wieder einen Vogel.
David, this is Officer Korn. Just want to let you know your stepdaughter's car was identified near the Blackwell campus last night, around the time of the break-ins.
What?
Give me a call soon.
Are you in trouble again, Chloe? Don't you sleep?
Message deleted. Goodbye, message.
Hat die Mom das gehört? Ups, das war ganz aus Versehen. Ich wollte das gar nicht. Birds. Liegen die Birds tot auf dem Boden? Yes, yes, they do. Ja, wo höre ich denn schon wieder den Blue Jay?
3 dead birds lined up? That's fucking ominous.
That is. Swing.
Sitting in a swing always feels so comforting.
Let's do that. Hallo Marie. Hallo. Alles gut bei dir?
I remember when Chloe and me would take turns in the swing. We would push each other so hard we'd fly way up in the air. Chloe always wanted to swing all the way around. I always got scared and would jump off before I flew off. And Chloe is still trying to get high.
Ah ja, du hast ja Corona, Marie. Oh, gute Besserung. Aber geht das oder ist es sehr unschön? Bei mir ist alles bestens. Alles wunderbar. Ich genieße die Life is Strange Atmosphäre. Hier rennt das sieht nicht so gut aus. Diese Unschärfe im Vordergrund gerade sah super unecht aus. Alright. Noch ein toter Vogel. What?
I wonder how these birds died.
What happened here? For real. Hey, Leute.
Oh, dead bird. Poor thing.
Danke dir. Nee, geht, bin halt ziemlich erkältet und aber kein Fieber oder so. Könnte noch schlimmer sein. Okay, ja. Aber Erkältung nervt natürlich auch schon. Aber vielleicht geht's ja schnell. Okay, ich glaube, sonst ist hier draußen nichts weiter. So, jetzt aber frühstücken hier. Wobei,
Who drinks beer this early around here?
I guess it's David.
Oh man, I don't want to be famous for this.
The Independent. Flash, Snow and Freaks. Was? Flash, Snow and Freak Eclipse. Apocalypse soon. Superhero saves suicidal Blackwell student. That sounds catchy.
I keep expecting to see the sky turn red.
But why turn red though? Cereal?
Wowzer. Chloe still eats the same cereal. So do I.
Wowzer.
I love that they
Wowzer.
still have the same refrigerator.
It's just been a few years in it. Joyce. Oh, okay. So, jetzt aber Joyce hier.
Joyce looks so different in her street clothes. Good morning, Joyce.
Rachel. I mean, Max. Oh, you startled me. Well, you fit those clothes well. Thank God you're not a hellraiser like her or Chloe. Now tell me exactly what you want to chow on.
Pancakes, eggs, and bacon. Pancakes, eggs, and bacon.
I'm dying for
Pancakes.
some of your famous pancakes.
I thought you would have missed those. Ah, you ate more than William. And he loved them.
I remember. We would race each other to grab them from the stack.
So this time, you can help me with the ingredients. I need you to grab me the eggs and milk.
Eggs and milk? No problemo.
No problemo.
I love that they still have the same refrigerator.
Not in the oh.
The eggs always come first, as Joyce used to say.
Really? And here's the milk.
Now for the mother's milk.
Don't say mother's milk. That's something else, Max. That is something else.
Thanks. After all these years and everything that's happened, It's great to see you and Chloe together again. She hasn't had a good friend since you or Rachel. Oh, those clothes remind me so much of her. Such a sweet girl. I'm just hoping she's living large in LA.
I'd love to think that too, Joyce, but
We're on the same page, Max. I keep hoping that Rachel will show up or even send a message to Chloe from Hollywood. Or wherever she is.
Is Rachel okay? Rachel in trouble? Was Rachel mad at Chloe?
is there any reason that Rachel might be mad at Chloe and left without her?
Chloe could piss everybody off but her. They were almost joined
I
at the
bet.
head. Reminded me of you and Chloe. But Rachel wasn't as grounded as you.
I'm grounded? Since when? Maybe that's why Chloe likes Rachel so much.
Max Caulfield, are you actually jealous of Rachel?
Maybe.
Maybe. Rachel was so much cooler than me.
Let's be honest
You
here.
think? Then why has Chloe been telling me she wishes she could be more like you over the past 5 years?
Oh.
Doubt it. Did she
Sweet.
really? 5 years ago feels like 1,000 now.
And that makes me what, a century old? You're only 18, Max. Oh, youth. If only I could go back.
It's not all that, Joyce.
Voila, a breakfast fit for us queens. And a king. Go sit at the table.
Ah, keine Lust auf David. Oh, wehe, der sagt irgendwas Unangenehmes. Oh, I will crush him. Artikulieren jetzt nicht so einfach. Okay, let's sit. Wir haben uns ja eh alles schon angeguckt. Ich habe das Game schon gespielt, ja, aber noch nicht durch. Ich bin noch mittendrin. Plant. Wir waren auch schon mal in dem
I
Haus
guess
in dem
nobody
Game.
waters the plant here.
Aber wir sind wieder da.
Thank you so much, Joyce. I'm never leaving this table.
Good, you can clean.
Du hattest da auch Peanut Butter.
I'm glad that's creamy and not crunchy.
Nein, was? Max, Crunchy ist viel besser. Und da hast du auch zugeguckt, Maria, auf jeden Fall. Oh. 9180 Punkte. Da muss ja schnell den Stream beenden, bevor hier eine Fortnite-Suggestion reinkommt.
Now that's what I call pancakes.
Ui. Ich finde gut, dass hier auch ein Shotglas... Ist das ein Shotglas? Sieht aus wie ein Shotglas. Kommt zu den Pancakes und einen kleinen Korn. Darf ich die Pancakes auch essen?
Seeing you again, made me remember so much.
Okay.
I know these photos don't measure up to your work, Max.
My favorite photographers probably take pictures similar to yours. You make David happy, Joyce.
He wants us all to be happy, Max. He's just not great at showing it.
Das stimmt vielleicht sogar.
I
Solche
don't
Leute
think I
gibt
can
es.
rock this outfit like Rachel.
You have your own cool style.
Sweet.
Wowzer.
Alles gut, Marie.
I totally remember that day.
Wowzer, was ist das
I'm
für ein...
glad. William took this picture with his instant camera. Oh, it was the last picture he ever took. He had his car out right after this, and
I know, Joyce.
Oh.
I'm sorry.
I didn't show you this to be morbid. In fact, I want you to have this. This was when my baby was so full of life and light. She was hopeful, positive, everything she's not today. And this was the last time I ever saw Chloe truly happy.
Did you guys have a bonding session about how fucked up I am?
It's not always about you.
Chloe, please, it's too early to start picking a fight. Eat instead.
I'll keep the warden busy while you go peek in the garage.
Now stop whispering or I'll know you're talking about me.
Stop being so nosy, Mother. Jeez, I can't do anything around here without everybody getting up in my shit.
No one can even joke with you, Chloe. You fly off the handle like that.
Excuse me. I have to use the bathroom.
Sure, run off and pee when you should back me up.
Now who's being paranoid? Just listen to yourself.
Nobody else does.
What are we
I
doing?
do need to get into David's computer.
What are we
He's gotta be
doing?
hiding shit.